So if you're anything like me, you absolutely dread creating YouTube thumbnails because you want them to look really nice, and then what ends up happening is you spend an hour creating one or multiple thumbnails and you're trying to make them look perfect, but you find that no matter how hard you try, you cannot seem to make them look super professional, right? And so you end up just settling on just a very basic picture of yourself on the right, and then some text on the left, and then you just hope that gets you good results, right? And so you either have to create them yourself using a tool like Canva or Thumbnail Blaster, or you might consider going the route of hiring someone to create YouTube thumbnails for you, right? So you go on Fiverr.com, and this is something that I used to do myself, and you find someone to pay $5 a thumbnail. So the downside of this is it can get a bit expensive, especially if you are uploading consistently. If you want to be posting videos every single day, then that can get quite costly. So what I want to go over in this video is the best thumbnail creator that I found that you can use to create thumbnails very easily and very quickly, and also have them look just as good as what a lot of designers right here might create. And so this is going to help save you a lot of money. And if you want, you could check this out. There is a free trial of this down below, and you also get a ton of other really cool things on top of the thumbnail creator that I'll go over here. So the name of the tool that I'm using is called the Van Gogh AI Image Studio. And so you could use this to create really any type of image with AI, but I found that it's really great with creating YouTube thumbnails. So this is actually part of a company called HBA, which is called the Home Business Academy. And so this tool that you get here is inside of their premium product. And so you get access to this as well as two other things that I'll mention here shortly after. But then you also get training in how to market anything that you're promoting. So if you also want to see how to get more traffic, get more views on your videos, then there's also training here that goes over how to do YouTube ranking with SEO, and then also another training here with YouTube as well. So you could check this out as well, and there's a 14-day trial of this. But also what's really cool is their affiliate program allows you to earn $100 residuals with this product, and then also you could also earn with these other products as well. So the affiliate program is really good, and I'm even helping members get some referrals with this as well. So that being said, I'll talk about the Van Gogh AI Image Studio right here and how this works, and then I'll show you how to create thumbnails. So what you can do is if you're using a picture of yourself in the thumbnails and you just want to use a handful of faces right here, then what you can do with this tool is you could just have it to where they're saved right here. So you could just upload a couple pictures, and then that way you could just, depending on the type of video that you're creating, you could just click on one of these and then just have it on the right side of the video. So that being said, I will just show you some of the thumbnails that I created right here. So I made one for a new system that came out, and it was pretty much like a review of that. So I had the screenshot of the image right here, and then just text on here, and then all I really had to do was just create a simple prompt. So all I did was I just wrote I would like a thumbnail created using the picture of myself on the right, and then on the left include the screenshot that I attached below. Below the image, have it say must watch, make the background black, and have the text underneath be in yellow text with black stroke around the letter so it pops out. So very simple prompt right here. And so the benefit with this is you can reuse the same prompt over and over again, and then just kind of change it up slightly with every single video that you created. So that's pretty much what I've done with majority of the thumbnails that I've created right here. And a lot of them, the description is pretty much around the same thing. So you can just have it say, do a white background, for example, right? And so maybe you do another video shortly after this where it's a similar type of video, but maybe it's like a review of some other company. Then you would just have the logo of that. You just have whatever text you want underneath, and then you could just choose the background that you want to use. So just describe whatever background you want, and then all you really have to do from here is just add in whatever images that you would want in the thumbnail. So for example, if you want to do a review video and you're like, you got a skeptic face right here because you're not sure is this legitimate, or then you have that picture of yourself right here. And then you could add whatever image of, let's say, the logo of the company that you're reviewing or the product you're talking about as well. Or you could have a picture of yourself holding the product as a review video, for example, and you just upload them right here. And then all you would have to do is just where it says aspect ratio, you want to make sure that you have it set to landscape 16:9. So this is the exact size that you want that will fit inside of your YouTube videos, for example, right? So that way it'll help increase conversion, click-through rate, and all that. So you could also specify what style that you want. And I like to do a lot of very simple ones, for example. So I find that photorealistic is what I like using. But if depending on the type of videos that you are making, then you could choose from any one of these right here. So cinematic, for example, minimalist, watercolor, anime, just pick from any one of these ones. And then with this tool, you get 3 credits daily. So you can create 3 YouTube thumbnails every single day for free. And then if you want to create more of them, let's say you're posting more than 3 videos per day or something crazy, then you can simply buy additional credits, which are pretty inexpensive. So it's like $10 for 50 credits right here. So I would maybe once in a while do that. And then this will mainly be for if I put in a prompt and let's say it doesn't come out exactly how I want it, and I ended up using more than 3, then I can just have additional credits here just for additional tries, basically, right? So I find that in most cases, I'm able to get the thumbnails as I want them exactly within those 3 tries. And so in my case, posting 3 videos per day, this is actually perfect for myself. So that being said, there's one more thing here, which is edit reference or edit inspiration. So basically what this is like, use as inspiration means it'll just keep the photos that you've uploaded as the exact same. Or if you click edit reference, and it'll edit the photos to look in a way where it'll increase click-through rate, basically. It'll guess what will convert best, basically. So that's basically what that is, but other than that, it's not too big of a difference. So that being said, I want to also talk about the other tools that you can get access to as well. And so the other 2 things you'll get are the Smart Post tool. So if you are posting short form videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, then instead of having to publish each video individually, then what you could do is you could actually post your video inside of here, or you could post it just on TikTok, and you could have it to where your short form videos are all connected. Short form platforms are all connected to each other. So for example, when you post a video on TikTok, rather than having to go to Snaptic app and download the video individually and then have to post it manually to all the other platforms, with this, you could actually just have it to where it just automatically posts on all the other platforms where you could post short form videos. So TikTok, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, and then you could also have them save in your Google Drive and Dropbox as well. But you got Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts as well. And then you could just do that very easily. So there's one other tool here, which is Prompt Write AI. And this is really great for coming up with ideas on prompts. So you could also use this for the thumbnail creator as well. Let's say you want ideas for coming up with prompts to use for your YouTube thumbnails. Then you could just describe what you're trying to do here. And then it'll create a prompt that you could simply copy and paste inside of the Van Gogh AI image generator and then come up with prompts that way. So on top of that, there's also the training on how to go out there and get traffic to your YouTube videos as well. So if you want to check this out, the link will be down below. And as a bonus, you can also check out the free training that I give away as well, free community, where I also provide the done for you marketing system if you want to promote this and also earn a residual income on top of this. So every single referral that you get is $128 per month in residual income to you. And if you want help getting your first 2 sales online, then I could even help you do that as well. So check this out if you want. Otherwise, if you wanted to check out the tool right here that I mentioned, then I'll have the link to that down below as well. So hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up and take care. See you on the inside.